Custom Crafts by Bruce Layton. We are in the process of building our cabinets in all the rooms. This is the master bath vanity after we get all the tile in. There's a sink. This is going right here. This is going to be a little opening for Kathy's makeup where she can push the chair under. This is our 30-inch wide bathroom sink. And we'll go in here to the kitchen. And this cabinet here, that's where the oven is going. And we're going to have a lower cabinet and an upper cabinet. And then we're going to have a little 5-inch pull-out cabinet right here. And then this will be a regular cabinet. This is our 48-inch cabinet for our range top, our gas range top. Then there'll be a corner cabinet back there. And then another cabinet. Our sink is going right there. Our dishwasher is going right here. There'll be a bank of drawers there. And another corner cabinet. And another bank of drawers right there. And a cabinet. And our refrigerator is going right here. And another cabinet. And all these wires you see poking out are for under cabinet lights. Almost every cabinet, I believe, all except this one, will have under counter lights. The electricians may run this wire over, so we can put a light under this cabinet. If you're wondering what this framework is here, we put that up there so we can see what the range hood is going to be. I thought we bought a 50-inch range hood, but this turned out to be a 54-inch industrial range hood. It's got the metal grates that go in the bottom. You set of 4. It's got a 10-inch pipe. We're going to have to put a hole in the ceiling up here. And that's the wire for the range hood. It's got a wire down there. The electrician's got to move that box up for the igniter on the gas range. Yeah, this is going to be a monster hood. Stainless. It's got like 4 lights on the bottom, a big old fan on it, and these are the metal, either 3 or 4 sets of metal grates that go inside the range hood. This is our laundry room. The washer and dryer is going here. We got 3 cabinets, and I'm thinking about putting overhead cabinets or maybe just a closet rod across there to hang clothes on while you pull them out of the dryer. You can hang them up. And in this bathroom vanity, the guest bathroom, the sink is going on this side. It's okay. This is it.